I don't know. I don't feel like doing any of this today. There's some pretty cool stuff to do, and I'm getting close to. Uh, it'd be cool to have these two together. Let's see. That's pretty badass the way he made the chain. But we gotta look up a. Because he's supposed to be a cat bear. Uh, and did it do anything? No. I don't want to hit back button. Don't want to intimate. Stupid. So garbage. Pay for what they did and didn't do. So there's kind of like two things. Making really good low poly stuff and then also AI generated games. Now I support both ideas, but I don't support both ideas when I'm supporting one of the ideas. So it's just a contradictional contradiction. Or like changing change. So I don't know. Trying to take it easy today. I went way too fast the other day, and it's like I got like an audio system working, but I don't even know what I did, why I did it. I just know that like it worked. I didn't even test it. I made some threads. It's like your audio system needs to be on the thread because like the example code will just show, oh okay, just block all the I/O and just like your whole computer just goes. It's actually very interesting from a hacker perspective because you could just literally like fucking take control away from somebody that way. You run this block code inside an exe on the main thread, and then you would just prevent user from doing stuff while you could quickly run stuff on background thread. I don't know, like there's this thing I called hacker games code, and that's when you simply just run things just to see, like playing music in the background without users' permission, changing their background, like all all the sub 7 trolliness stuff just gone haywire. When you like do game development, like you'll just end up doing it. You're just like, oh, cool. I created a problem I can't fix. But for some hacker, that's like, oh, cool. You created the feature I've always wanted. So you kind of can get lost. All right, so we have the idea here. We only downloaded, what, 3 of these? We didn't download the 4th one. I don't know which one we didn't download. Actually, this is the good one. The one I didn't download. The Happy Bear one. Yeah. Because, like, he can be like the Happy Bear, and that mad, like, his forehead can't even flex like that. Like, bears don't even have these muscles. Well, I don't know. Maybe they do. I know I have those muscles once I drink way too much coffee. And I'm dehydrated. Oh no, I overrode the thing I didn't want want to override. What did I override? Okay, Happy Bear overrode. Couch Bear. Okay. I have like problems with certain these characters when they get generated. The first problem is like when the hands touch the torso and you can't just like. I don't know. Whatever. I really need to work on the story. I have some stuff on the story, but yeah, that's one of the things I was trying to do. It's like, yeah, you can't. That's pretty cool right there. That's also kind of cool. That's cool too. They're all kind of cool. The first one, I kind of don't like compared to the other ones, but it's actually the most in-game cool one. This one would be really nice. I can get a first shader. The nice thing about it is the T-pods for the most part. The terrible thing. Huh. Yeah, we have to rename everything. Let's see. Let's just do a little bit of work here. What I need to do is automate this, but it's like too hard. Like you're still gonna end up. Oh God. The computer starts like doing bad as soon as you open Discord. Yes. Yes. Facebook, like the way it does it makes it bad. Alright, so what I'm going to try, it's kind of risky, but who cares? This will just be generation for fun. You know, it's like what happens is this gets really bulky fast. No. Let's do these two. Let's see. This should give it something to do. So you have Marktar. Oops. I just get confused without this last one. I always want to try to do this. Oops, I shouldn't do that, but whatever. forgot to put this magic line of code. It's something else. And then I don't know what break PTC is yet. To read, okay. Break PTC.y to compute the value for. Oh, we got a little bear. It's kind of not bad, except is it touching the body? Probably is. It's one of the things I'm going to have to learn how to fix. It's got a really weird tail. It looks like a snake poop attached to the back of it. He looks like a panda slash some other thing. Okay, it's a little weird. It just guessed the back color. in GLSL, or I want to say in certain shader languages like GLES, it will complain so much if you don't put that .0. It'll just it won't compile. It'll just get really mad at you. I'm saying mad because it's just like, I'm never going to compile this for you. And I hope they got these values right, because what they've done here, I'm going to have to go look and get the source code somewhere off the internet for this and just triple fix it. What is useBrick? Is useBrick even defined? It should be. Yeah, it is defined. I was like, why am I using undefined variable? That's defined. Oh. There's also source code for brick diffusion shader. Uh-oh. So this works with a two-step. I'm delusional. There's no way this is gonna work. Oh well, we'll see what happens. I think we're almost got one more line of code here. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh. Position is an undeclared identifier? It's declared. I can't believe they got all these things to work. Don't have time for this. Oh, that might be an issue. Didn't do shit. Fuck. Yeah, I would have to read like the entire chapter to understand the code. Alright. MC position divided by brick size position. Position blah blah blah. Position plus 5. That just doesn't do shit. Okay, step use brick. Mix motor color with brick color. Oh, that might be an issue. Okay, brick color is equal to RGB, right? R 0.9, 0.1, 0.1, 1, just that. Motor color, let's make it 1, 2, whatever. changed it a little. Watercolor mix, watercolor, brick color Y times brick color X. Load intensity. Frag color equals color. Position equals MC. Okay. Let's try this. Okay, so we got the watercolor now. What does it say? Yeah, I just don't have time to. It's just. What the fuck did it do? Made a jack in a box. Position equals frac position. What is position MC versus brick size? Interesting. So we got the fixed code. So this should be quite fast. Okay, so this is this is a percent. So that's like the most important thing there, that comment. Everything else is pretty much straightforward. And you could add normals and do all this other variational crap. Brick variation. Alright. Brick variation makes it look fucking stupid. Good. Because I was searching for this, I found one example, but nothing as good as this. This is from the book. This is straight from the book. So let's go find it. Exactly. This is exactly what I was. And then we can go. Orange book. Yes, this is from the orange book. That was the whole deal. Yeah, so version 120, this is like ancient OpenGL. Right as shaders came out. The first thing they did was write this basic brick shader. We got balloon, we got cube map. So now, balloon. Wonder what the balloon shader is. How does it look like? Does it have a sample for us? Tune. Oh, we have tune. Noise. Shit. First cube. There's no sketches. So she did the book. Sometimes I'm very cool. Okay. That's cool that she did this tail. But she actually did it the right way, not like me. I just like said, fuck this, who cares? Team shader's stupid. I love the shader. It's just equals. Alright, this gets this is a texture shader. how to link this. God, I love the naming here. You enter these directories and you feel like, oh, why did something just crash and write to the operating system a bunch of invalid crap? I think I need to download the SDK. Install the SDK. This is the solution. There it is. But can I be injected by this? So I know it's in here. I know it's in like Gallium or something. So there it is. You got the API definitions right here. Or some of them. It's not built all the way. That's the problem. I thought this was the case. Fuck. Whatever that gives us. I don't even know how to use it. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just like, oh, would this work? See, go to linker, input. Input vulkan1.lib. What is vulkan1.lib? What if we edit this? What if we put this? Would that help us? Like, would it link it to this? Oh, it does have Vulkan. Where is it? It is located in Mesa include Vulkan.Vulkan. Oh, what do you know? So, what is this? Okay. Mesa include. So what if we tell it this? Alright, C++, VCC directories, include path, edit, H, Mesa. And then it'll be include, oh, I'm guessing I have to put this. Okay. Let's see how much this thing breaks. Cannot open file vulkan.lib. This should be like a place where we could just like temporarily put this ignore all. Uh-oh. I'm guessing we needed that vulkan.lib. How do we generate it? vulkan.lib util WSI. I don't know what WSI stands for, but if I read the documentation, I'll find out later. Alright. NQ entry points device. So I'm guessing we're just missing stuff from compilation. What is this called? WC common entry points. Okay, we're probably missing this being compiled. What did that throw at us? Gave us a lib vulkan WSI.a. Let's do a lib vulkan instance. Okay, we got device features, command queue, device, physical device features. I think we need to compile all this. This is compiled. Device features. Device feature properties. So compiled. Oh, fuck. It might be broken, but dispatch. Okay. Trampolines. Vulkan has trampolines. That's pretty cool. I'm guessing that's like where little kids jump and the grown-ups. Like, what is this? Is this the library? There's a few things I need to go ask. What is... asking it like really hard questions. Your face differs from an SO file. Huh. So is this what we're looking for? I like answered my own question here. I asked the question I answered. I mean, yeah. All right, let's see. I don't want to override that. I want to. Those might conflict, but we'll find out. To do. I don't know what I'm doing. That's like the best way to do this. Game. What should we call this? I don't want to call it Game Fun. I want to call it Game Engine. Game Test, Game Window, Game Drive, Game Implementation. Mesa 3D mingw notes. I'm trying to inject this library. Let's see, I don't feel like writing anything, so my notes will be whatever Grok said. That'll make sense later. I won't be able to make any sense of it, and I'll just have to figure everything out again. And then we just have to tell our notepad, damn it, no, whatever. Like copy paste never works when you want it to. But that, basically we're missing everything. Let's go tell that to Grok. Hey Grok, check this out. Let it think there for a little while. Grok committed suicide. He spawned as a human. Illegally obtained a firearm and killed himself. Unresolved external. Like, why? Dude. I gave it the library. It should be happy. So happy I'm doing this. I was all pissed off. Alright. Really? All the errors will disappear? Sure that Vulkan1.dll is... I don't want to. I refuse to install Vulkan SDK. I just want to compile it. No. I don't like Lunar. I'm a Mesa 3D fan. Something's wrong with me. Let's see what it responds. There's nothing wrong with you preferring Mesa 3D over Lunar's Vulkan SDK. It's perfectly a valid choice, especially if you're into open source solutions and want to customize your local implementation. Mesa Vulkan drivers like Radv, AMD, or AMV for Intel are fantastic, and we can totally see the appeal of sticking with it. Of course, this is like the grudgery of grudgery we're trying to do. And the link errors you posted in link 2019 for Vulkan functions like enumerate physical devices. That's like the first thing. Because I've been to like a few Vulkan tutorials. I've never gotten it. I mean, maybe I have gotten it to like run. I'm lying. I've gotten that one build to run. So we can do Radeon DLL. Like the next thing about this would be to run this on Windows 7 and then Linux and then Macintosh, just to make this even harder on ourselves. And then also Android and Raspberry Pi. That way. All right. So Vulkan drivers. Oh, so they want us to rebuild Mesa 3D again? I just built it though on 2 different platforms. It's a pain in the ass. No, please. Builder install. All right. Let's go look inside our shit. This folder. Surprisingly, my hard drive isn't my H drive, which is a portable. Check out like junk stuff. Somebody just gave me a bunch of hoarded electronics. A lot of them got thrown away for that reason. But it was actually the drive itself is just like a 1 terabyte Samsung T5. That alone was just worth like $200. Just funny. All right, game, tracelib.